How to hide your LinkedIn profile from Google search. First of all, go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Now, go over to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Then, go to visibility. From here, you can manage the visibility of your profile and network settings. Go to page visit visibility. Here, you can choose if you want to allow organizations to see that you visited their LinkedIn page. Turn off the Allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn page option. Organizations will no longer be able to see that you visited their page. Go back again and tap on Edit your public profile. Over here, scroll down to the Edit Visibility section and turn off your profile's public visibility. This means that no one will be able to view your information on LinkedIn. Following these steps, you can easily hide your LinkedIn profile from Google search.